How to buy cryptocurrencies on your MetaMask account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can buy crypto on MetaMask. So to do that, first of all, open the MetaMask account or the app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your MetaMask wallet. Now once you've done that, first of all, you'll have to choose which crypto you want to buy. So it may be Ethereum or it may be any one of the coins such as BNB, etc. So to buy them, all you have to do is simply tap on the coin, and then it will basically provide you 4 different options. You can receive, buy, send, or swap. So since we are here to buy crypto, we'll simply tap on the option buy. After that, you'll have to choose a payment method. So if you are buying Ethereum, you will also be able to use PayPal in order to buy. But if you are buying anything else other than Ethereum, you'll have to use either instant bank transfer or you'll have to use your debit or credit card. Now choose the one which is most suitable for you and then tap on the option continue to amount. Now select how much you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy $50 worth of BNB. So simply enter the amount, and remember one thing, $20 is the minimum threshold, so you cannot buy anything less than $20 worth of crypto. So once you've chosen the amount, simply tap on the option get quotes, and then it will fetch quotes, and now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option buy, and now you will be redirected to this page where you'll have to enter your details such as your card number, debit card number, or credit card number, and if you choose your bank, you'll have to enter your bank account. Now once you've entered all of those, you will be able to buy crypto on your MetaMask. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.